Hey guys, what's up? It's Kai. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry about that. Little update on my life. I turned 18 a few days ago, so I am now a legal adult. That's really scary to me. What else? And my girlfriend and I, well, ex-girlfriend and I, we broke up like the week before my birthday. There was no good way of going about it. I'm trying to focus on walking because it's raining. Well, not much anymore, but it was raining. And I decided to go for a walk because I got really angry. So I went for a walk. Do people actually live there now? Time to walk back then. Ooh, okay, yeah. It was a really shit, but I don't know where I stand with that friend group either. It was just one of those things, and now I'm just off trying to stay alive and just trying to make it. I didn't think I would live this long, but here I am, 18 fucking years old, stressed about life. And then, oh yeah, I got my septum pierced as a birthday present from my cousin. She did it for me. But yeah, it's so pretty out here. I took a bunch of pictures. It's really pretty out here. When this church actually gets like kicked off its property, I'm gonna be so sad because then they have to tear down this cute little path and just patch of woods. It's such a pretty place. Like, it's all just beautiful forest. And then there's this old building, which kind of, it looks abandoned, but it's not. They just don't use it as frequently anymore. But it's really pretty. It's a really pretty path in general. You guys know how I don't exercise? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the most exercise I've done. Between last night and tonight, that's gotta be the most exercise I've ever done in like a month and a half. I'm gonna start my walk home, and I'll check in then before editing and uploading. Yeah, okay. Bye.